Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another tutorial video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on OBS Studio. So before I start, make sure you subscribe my channel, and if you subscribe it already, thank you so much. So let's jump to the video. So we are on Windows PC and let's opening OBS Studio. Then as you can see, my OBS Studio not working well and it's only showing black screen. So we are going to fix this black screen. So before start, just close and right click on your mouse and click the display settings and scroll down to select graphics settings. As you can see, here is two options. So if already selected desktop PC, then click the browse. After clicking browse and go to local drive, C drive, then open and click the program file and find out OBS Studio and double click to open. Here is bin. Then in my case I'm using 64-bit operating systems. So if you are using 32-bit, then you will find 32-bit. So double click to open again, and here is OBS 64 file. Just select, then click the add buttons. As you can see, OBS Studio added here. Then click the options, and here is three different options, but you need to select power savings and then save. Then close the window and open up again Windows OBS Studio, and as you can see, OBS working. So pretty much that's all about, and if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for my latest update. See you next.